Okay, this is going to be a demo of Sliick Docs eSignature. It's a sneak peek at what's coming. There's a new component now called Sliick Signatures, and you click this Sliick Signatures Send for Signature button, and it's going to allow you to upload any PDF that you want or choose an existing one. Let's open one up that I've created before. So it's just a test PDF. It's got a few fields here, signed by, for your position and your date signed, so standard eSignature type fields. I'm going to add a signer. So John Smith, hello@sliick.com, done, and then drag the signature field, signed by, his position, so his title, and then the dates that it was signed. There we go. And you can give it a message. So this is the default template. You sent the document name to sign. You can just change it a bit now. Congrats. All right, and preview that. There we go. There's your org name, my company X. Hi, John Smith. Major Johnson's asked you to sign. And this is the reference for the envelope. Congrats, and review document. So you tick I'm authorized to send, and send away. Document has been sent for signature. And so now, with any luck, this should come into my email. Okay. Hi, John Smith. Major Johnson sent something for you to sign. Click this button, and you'll need to put in your 6-digit code. I'm going to email the code to myself. Yep, there we go. And here is here's the code. 621. Verify that code. And that's it. This is the PDF. So I need to put in my signature. All right. My position. And you see the date has already been pre-populated. And you consent to signing, and sign and finish. Now it's going to stamp all of the audit trail to the document, and you can download it as a single PDF, or you can download it separately as separate documents in one zip file. So let's open up the combined one to start. So you can see how it's got the envelope ID. This is the test PDF, and all the details around the signature, who it was sent by, there was a PIN, the IP address. The people who've signed will get an email with the completed e-signed signatures. So there's the signature, and then there's the certificate of completion. Okay. And in Sliick Docs settings, there's a bunch of settings that you can set. One of the important ones is going to be the signature mode. So this tier 0 is the native e-signature, and everything runs on platform. So that gives you the audit trail and the certificate of completion that I showed you. These other tiers, these are off-platform. So having your own self-signed cert, sealing the certificate, sealing the PDF, or you can bring your own key. There's a certified seal, so you get the Adobe green tick, and then even higher tier. Because these 4 tiers are off-platform, these will require an additional fee to access the service. Okay, just to give everyone an idea of what a Adobe green tick means. So when you open up a signed PDF, it will have a signature panel, and it'll tell you whether it's a valid signature or not. So you click signature panel. You can see this was signed by Sliick Signature. It's trusted by Adobe, and the identity is valid, and it was digitally signed by Sliick. So you can have this signed by the Sliick cert, or you can have it with your own cert, with your own company name. That's it. Thanks for watching.